1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ.
You can look it up on YouTube. Thy word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. Psalm 119, verse 105, King James Version. We live in a technology age where information is at our disposal like never before. For example, we use YouTube to look up DIY projects and repairs around our homes. These do-it-yourself and repair projects save us time and money, where we do not need repair people as much anymore because their secrets are public information in how-to videos. Many of us are comfortable looking up auto repairs and fixing them in our driveways. Many of us are computer savvy enough to look up certain fixes for our devices, and we do so on our own without the help of technicians. We even look up recipes to whip up tasty meals that we had no idea how to make ourselves. So, this should lead us to a spiritual thought. When it comes to spiritual things, we have always had our how-to manual called the Bible. The Bible has eternal wisdom for us to fix many aspects of our lives, be encouraged, and be saved. For example, if you are emotionally distressed, look up how to pray for peace in Philippians chapter 4, verse 6 and verse number 7. If you need help with marriage and raising children, look up the works of Paul in Ephesians. If you need help managing debt, discerning between friends and foes, and many other issues in practical everyday life situations, look it up in Proverbs among many other books of the Bible. The Bible is greater than YouTube. If you trust YouTube, it will not be hard to trust the wisdom that is greater, which is God's holy word. God bless you. Thanks for listening.
This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA, 35901, www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.